I do think it's important to try and understand law according to its original understanding, public meaning. Words have meaning.
So you don't agree with McCulloch about adapting to the crisis of human affairs?
No, Senator.
Change. So you do agree?
I'm trying to answer the
I just want a yes or no, that's all.
Well, I think it takes, these are complicated things that take more than a yes or no, respectfully. And what I would say is the Constitution doesn't change. The world around us changes. And we have to understand the Constitution and apply it in light of our current circumstances. That's what we're trying to do as judges. So, for example, one of my favorite cases in this area is Jones, right? Supreme Court of the United States is faced with a GPS tracking device attached by the police onto a car. Is that a search? And the court goes back and looks at the time of the founding what qualified as a search and found that that would have qualified as a trespass to chattels and a search by the government. And says if that would have been offensive 200 years ago, that sort of thing, it has to be offensive now. The Constitution is no less protective of the people's liberties now than it was 200 years ago.
So when the Constitution refers like 30-some times to his or he when describing the President of the United States, you would see that as, well, back then they actually thought a woman could be president even though women couldn't vote?
Senator, I'm not looking to take us back to quill pens and horses and
but
buggies.
Just if you could answer that question,
century.
it's pretty important to me.
I'm trying to.
Okay.
Of course women can be president of the United States.
Okay.
I'm the father of 2 daughters.
Great.
And I hope
okay.
one of them turns out to be president.
Okay.